Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create recurring meetings in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access all of Zoom's core features. From here, tap on the Schedule button. This will open up the meeting scheduler where you can set up your recurring meeting with all the necessary details. Now you'll see an existing meeting name in the designated field. Go ahead and delete that text, then enter your event name. This is what participants will see when they receive the meeting invitation, so make sure it clearly describes the purpose of your meeting. The name helps everyone identify what the meeting is about at a glance. Below the meeting name, you'll see the Start section. Tap on the date displayed right beside it, and a calendar picker will appear. Select your preferred date from the calendar. This sets when your recurring meeting series will begin, so choose a date that works for your schedule. Right beside the date, tap on the Start time, then select your preferred start time from the options. This determines when your meeting will begin each time it occurs. Below that, tap on the end time and select your preferred end time. Keep in mind that if your account isn't upgraded to a paid plan, the maximum meeting duration is 40 minutes, so plan accordingly. Below the end time, you'll see the time zone option. Tap on it and select your preferred time zone from the list. This is especially important if you're coordinating with participants in different locations, as it ensures everyone joins at the correct local time. Once you've set your time zone, tap Done in the upper right corner to confirm your selection. Now comes the crucial part for making this a recurring meeting. Below the time zone setting, you'll see the Repeat option. Tap on it to configure how often your meeting will recur. You'll be presented with several frequency options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. These preset options work well for standard recurring patterns, but for more control, tap on Custom. After selecting Custom, you'll see the frequency settings. Below it, you'll notice an Every option with a button right beside it. Tap that button and you'll be able to select whether you want the meeting to repeat every 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 intervals. Then choose whether that interval is measured in days, weeks, months, or years. This flexibility allows you to create a recurrence pattern that perfectly matches your needs, whether it's every other week, every 3 days, or any other combination. Once you've configured your recurrence settings, tap Done in the upper right corner to save these preferences. Then tap the Save button, also in the upper right, to finalize and create your recurring meeting. This will save all your settings and add the meeting to your schedule. You'll now return to the Meetings section of the app. Scroll down through your list of scheduled meetings and tap on the meeting you just created. This will open the meeting details where you can find all the important information. Look for your newly created meeting and tap on it to view the complete details, including the meeting ID, meeting link, and passcode. You can share these details with participants so they can join your recurring meeting, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring meeting in the Zoom mobile app with your custom schedule. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.